Today's video, I want to help you understand the word YouTube revenue. Okay, when I mean understand the word YouTube revenue, I'm on my studio right now and I'm going to be using like 2 to 3 videos to show you the difference. Okay, helping you to understand what revenue is when it comes to YouTube and how you can also maximize your own revenue to be earning higher on YouTube. If this is the first time you're tuning in and you've not subscribed, do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. With all of that being said, let's get right into this video. My screen record is all started, and since my screen record is all started right now, I'm in my YouTube studio, and this is my second channel, which is the Sonia Onoja's channel. This is not the Vibe with Sonia's channel. Right now I have this video of 7K view that I posted 10 months ago, and this video is a video of 2 minutes 23 seconds. You guys can see it here, which is this particular video here. Okay, this video is what, 2 minutes 23 seconds, and this video has gotten what, 7.1k view, and this video click-through impression is what, 17.0, which means the impression is really high, but the average viewer duration is what, is 1 minute 27 seconds. Let's click to check more about this video. So for this video has gotten over 102 views, and you guys, if you check here, you're going to be seeing that the average viewer duration for everyone that clicked this video is what, is 1 minute 27 seconds, and of which for that kind of category of video of 2 minutes, it is something that is really good. And the real time for the 24 hours, this video has, for 48 hours, this video has gotten what, it has gotten 111. Okay, these are the impression. The impression is what, is 30.0 impression. And YouTube, how viewers found this channel: YouTube search, external suggested, other YouTube feature, external site and source, app, YouTube search, and the rest. I'm just in a hurry because I need to like hit what I need to tell you guys when it comes to YouTube revenue, so just pardon me on this. Let's go to the engagement of this video. For the engagement, this video has gotten a watch time of 173 watch time. Okay, and audience retention, I've showed you guys. Let's go to the audience of this video. For the audience of this video, you can see that returning viewers is 0 and new viewers is at least a bit stepping up. Anyways, you can see that for this video, age nothing to show, gender nothing to show, geographical locations that are watching just Philippine, Indian, and Nigeria, and these particular people are mwah. Let's go to the revenue of this video. For a video of 7,000 views, this video has made just $3.02, and $3.02, this is how much advertisers pay for this video. Advertisers are paying what, they are paying $1.88. Okay, and for every 1k view this video is making $0.43. You can see the skippable, non skippable, and every other stuff. Let's flip to the next part of this video. Bear it in mind that this video has made what, $3.02. So let's go to the second video I am going to be talking about. I'm going to be talking about this video of how to get plenty coins from TikTok treasure box, plus use these coins to get your first $100 to $1,000. 3 tips. And this video is 26 minutes 10 seconds long. Can you see the difference between this video and that video? That other video was 2 minutes and 40 something seconds long, while this video is 16 minutes 10 seconds long. Okay, for a 16 minutes 10 seconds long video, let's click and see the overview. For the overview, this video has gotten 2,709 views since it was published, and for the audience retention of a 16-minute video, people are watching for at least 2 minutes 10 seconds, and you can see that in the last 48 hours this video has gotten what, this video has gotten 18 views. And let's go to the reach of this video. So for the reach of this video has got an impression of 13.1, of which that one is 30 something impression, and you can see viewers, external source, and every other stuff that you needed to see here, video suggesting the video, and the rest of that. Now let's go to the engagement of this video so that this video will be not too long. This is 98.2. okay, and audience retention, you can see 2 minutes and the rest of that. Now let's go to the audience of this video. For the audience of this video, returning viewers 0, nothing to show for age, nothing to show for gender, and nothing to top geographic that is watching this video. You can see Nigeria. So it's only Nigeria that basically watch this particular video. And then if you go to the revenue of this particular video has made $7.62. A video of 7K view is making $3 and some cents here, and a video of 2,000 plus view that is not even half of the 7K view is making over $7.62. And you can see the performance of this video. For every 1K view, I guess it makes $2.82. And how much advertisers are paying? Advertisers are paying $7.30 for this video, earnings and the rest of that. So let's talk, and so that you can understand the YouTube revenue aspect. Now, this is what you need to know. It is very, very advisable to put a video that is longer, okay? And another thing that affected that particular video was because it was a straight video. How do I put it straight? Like this is not a YouTube standard video. For those of you that don't like doing the YouTube standard video, that was one of the categories that actually affected that particular video. And that video was 2 minutes, and the audience retention was very, very low. While for the video of 60 minutes, you can see that the audience retention was even more higher. So if you want to make more revenue from YouTube as a whole, as a person, create a video that is longer, and not that you're going to be creating a video that is longer and the video is not making sense. Create a video that once a viewer watch, the average duration is what is going to magnet your revenue. That is one thing you should know. How many minutes are people spending on that video? So you can see that for this other YouTube video that I did the YouTube standard, it is even better for me to create a video of 60 minutes long, and a lot of people might not watch it, but I'll make more revenue than creating a short video that a lot of people will watch, and at the end of the day I'm making T-pence from it. If you're looking forward to get monetized on YouTube, create content that people can watch to some certain level of revenue. Create content that at the end of the day, you are going to hit your chest and say, yes, you've created this content and you're happy with that. I can have a video of 100 and something K, and a video of 30 something K is even making more higher than that particular video of 100 and something K view. That is YouTube for you. And the second thing I want to tell you when it comes to understanding YouTube revenue is create a video that both genders are watching, that can generate all of this traffic for you. You can see that if I'm checking the traffic, the audience, nothing to show, the age, nothing to show. So if there's nothing to show, automatically people watching that video, where are they coming from? There is not enough data for YouTube to gather and show forth. And if there is not enough data for YouTube to gather and show forth, those videos will be limited to some areas that they are supposed to get to. You can see that in the second video of 60-minute video, it's only Nigeria that is watching. And you can see that most of the how much YouTube pay me video that I do on this my Vibe with Sonia channel, it is mostly Nigerian, United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and some reputable countries that are watching it. So create content that can generate all of those data stuff. Create content that has value, that people can watch, that can make more revenue. Create content that can give you a high RPM, because imagine that this video is getting more watch time, YouTube would have been pushing it more. So if you're watching me at this point, and what do you think? Do you think a 60-minute video is better than a 2-minute video? Because it's obviously clear for me, a 60-minute video is better than a 2-minute video. And even if you want to create a 2-minute video, you can create a 2-minute video that the standard is top notch, and if people can be able to watch from that beginning to the end, you're still going to be making more revenue. But this is basically how YouTube revenue works, and I decided to share it with you guys because I was going through my revenue and I was going through them one after the other, and I noticed this. I said, no, it is best for me to come and put it out there for you guys so that you guys can actually see it yourself and then know the right thing that you are going to do as a YouTuber or as a content creator here on YouTube that wants to actually maximize their earnings. Mind you, this is my second channel. This is not the Vibe with Sonia channel, okay? Anyways, let me know what you think in the comment section, and if at this point of you watching this video you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do what? Subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. If you have any video in mind that you actually want me to do for you, let me know in the comment section, because my job here is, as you're requesting, I will definitely deliver to your table. And yes, let's interact in the comment section. Without no further ado, yes, let's interact in the comment section. So thank you so much for staying stick and hook with me to the end of this video. And with no further ado, like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I will see you guys in my next one. For now, like, comment, and subscribe, and lastly, share for every other person to get this good news. You guys, let me know what you think. I love you guys. Mwah.